Hi, welcome to my channel Unlearn with Vinay. In this channel, I am going to help you with agile transformation or digital transformation challenges. And I'm going to make you aware of these challenges through stories. The whole purpose of this channel is to make you aware of how the transformation can be successful if we are able to take care of these challenges. So let's begin with the stories, and today's story is of two insects. One insect is black bumblebee, which normally we find them in our garden roaming around the flowers, and their feed is nectar basically, right? The other insect is dung beetle or tumblebug, and mostly we find them in the animals dung like cow, buffalo, horse and so on. They live in those dungs only, they eat, and that's how they actually spend their life. Both are having a two different life. They see the entire world into a two different way. If you look at the bumblebee, he always finds that the entire world is beautiful. It's really colorful. It is having it's a sweet, very good fragrance. The entire thing, if you look at from his perspective, it looks like, wow, what a world it is. At the same time, if you look at tumblebug, from his perspective, it looks like world is complete dark, black, smelly, ugly, and yuck in taste. So there was a farm which is having lots of flowers. At one side, they were heap of dung, and as we were just talking about these two insects, so at flower side, all the places, this black bumblebee was keep flying, roaming around, having the nectar from the flowers, whereas this tumblebug was in the dung only. From his perspective, that things was completely different. Both were living their life. Since both of them were in the same farm, sometimes they were meeting each other, getting each other, hi, how are you, and all. Slowly they started becoming a friend, and they started discussing also. So if you look at from the bumblebee, he was telling, oh wow, what the world it is. It's amazing, really good, very colorful. Whereas the tumblebug was always complaining that it's very bad, you don't understand, it's completely ugly, very bad taste, and all these things. Bumblebee was always feeling, how can I help my friend to make him aware that world is not the thing which the world is not as what he is able to see. It is completely different. So one day what he has done, he came near to his friend and very fast he put him on his back and flew away. And that tumblebug started screaming, shouting, telling all the bad thing to his friend, like, okay, you are not my friend, you will kill me, what you are doing, I will fall down, I will completely die, everything, right? But he didn't hear anything. He thought, okay, fine, let me just show him that how the world is. He was just roaming around all the flowers, going here and there, and finally he saw that there is near to that farm there was a pond having a very big red color of lotus fully bloom. He just landed there, put his friend there, and yes, he was happy. He felt like, I'm in a lotus palace, let my friend also see this. By that time sunset was over and that lotus started closing, and it's completely closed, so they cannot go outside of that lotus. And after that bumblebee started having the nectar from that lotus. His friend was also doing something, Both were there. He was keep murmuring like, okay, what you are doing? You are not good man. You are very bad and all. Right. Whole night they were there. Morning after sunrise, it opened, fully bloomed. Bumblebee has taken his friend on his back again, flew, went, put his friend to his home, that dung. Now tell me, how is world? And surprisingly, this tumblebug has told, it's ugly, it's bad, it's black, everything, whatever he was telling earlier also. He told, hey, hold on. Didn't you see that yesterday night we were in that lotus palace? Such a good fragrance, such a nice nectar. He told, I was knowing that you will do something like this. So when you came and you were trying to take me out on your back, I have taken as much as possible that dung in my mouth. And whole night I was having the same thing. Bumblebee told, oh, in the lotus, such a nice place, you are having that dung. No one can help you. Now just think about, this is the end of story. Now just think about what this story says. If you are completely closed and you are feeling that this will not work at my end, our thing is completely different, no one can help you. I have seen many a times we say that, these things looks good, but we have to change these as per our organization, product, culture, and many other things. Man, you are saying that we need to change the practices, but we are not ready to change. We are not ready to change and thinking that the practices will change and it will work. No, it will not. First, you just be ready that we have to change. And you have to be with all open-minded. We keep talking about like fixed mindset, growth mindset and all those things. Literally, are we doing that? Are you facing this type of problems, right? This type of challenges? You have to see that. You have to find out how to overcome with that. How to start looking at life. We will change. Everything will change. Hope you got the message from this story, and I am happy if you will be able to share your things in this video through your comments. And if you like it, please like the video, subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.